One of the biggest challenges that we have in the construction industry is we've traditionally been a very undigitized industry. As we are increasing the amount of digitization we have in the industry, probably the biggest thing that we have is still a pretty manual process of collecting all that information. So we have a lot of technology available to us, things like laser scanning, things like 360 photos. The problem is we still require traditional manpower to go out and collect that information. And the way that we do that is we go walk a job site and we set up a tripod and we scan. Now we capture immense amount of data, but this process of capturing it manually is traditionally very, very slow. So that prevents us from doing it often enough that we could really capture a lot of great data. So the great thing that the Rover brings to us on the job site is we can now do this every day if we wanted to, and we don't have to pay for that manpower. We can set it up to go ahead and walk the job site every night and scan or take pictures or take readings on sensors that are out on the job. This will greatly improve the amount of data that we have available to us to do things like compare it to the BIM model, to track installation status, to even go as far as potentially paying people for the work that has been installed. And this is why really the Rover is extremely important to our industry, because it's going to reduce that human element of collection of information that we can do digitally, and we can do controlled that can navigate its way through a job site, because job sites change every single day. The information that we are going to capture will be so valuable to us that we'll be able to do more real-time productivity tracking, and we'll be able to load that information into our schedules, into our costing information that will provide a ton of value for projects to come. And that's why the Rover is really so important to our industry, and that's why we decided to work with the guys at Alive to help bring this to life. We've tested it on our projects, and we're really excited about the direction that we're going in.